So hello you guys, and welcome to this edition of askchauntel Nadine West unboxing. So Nadine West is me close to share with you guys every month. So if you are interested in checking out this unboxing, I'm definitely trying these clothes on at the end. Then let's get into
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chauntel.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So Nadine West sends me clothes to share with you guys every month. You fill out a style profile on nadinewest.com, and then you get your cute pink package. You only pay $9 for shipping. And right now, for a limited time, you can get free shipping with the link in the description box below. So you unwrap all your goodies. And yes, you guys, the girls in the background, you guys hear them, but we are quarantining. And so you know, you got to just do everything from home. You got to make it work when you're a mom. And I think a clothing subscription service like this is life for us, because it really gives us the ability to look cute and not have to go out and shop. Okay, look at this. Ooh, girl, that's cute. It's a red dress, button all the way down, and it looks like midi length, so we'll try that and see how that looks on. So this is like kind of like a pink color peasant top, kind of pinky peachy, okay, with like a little ruffle. It looks like it's kind of off the shoulder, so cold shoulder. And that's cute. And then there's more. So you get them in these little bundles. It's like different outfits for you. Another thing I noticed about Nadine West, you can kind of build on, she kind of builds on your closet that you already have. So that's really, really fun and exciting. So here is a like blouse, and another reason for me to get a racer. Bro, I need one of those like goes around the back. This. Okay, this is a top blouse. Looks like, ooh, looks large, but I guess you hold it like this. There you go. And there was yellow. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, they're like mustard yellow shorts with like a little tie in the front. Oh, I love that, like a drawstring. Very cute. And yes, businesswoman working from home. Cute. Okay, shorts. And this is pretty. See, it's a top floral print. I don't know if I'm like such a big fan of this pattern, but we'll see. It looks like burgundy background with like flowers on top. And there was, see, I'm like, did I drop? Usually there's accessories, but I don't think this one had any, unless I'm like missing. Let me check the floor and see if I drop any. I don't think it had any in this one. Okay. Woo, ripping it out. Oh, here they are. Think of some earrings. You can like request to have certain things or not things when you fill out that style profile, and one of those options is jewelry. Where? You just have to take it off. Okay, I got it. All right, and so here, oh my gosh, I really like this color. So these are leggings, and I actually have some just like this, and they're black, and I really like them. So this is a really pretty color, maroon color. I love it. This is by Show. And yeah, they make really nice leggings, and it's cute because it's kind of got this little section right here where you can see that. Isn't that cute at the bottom? I like how Nadine has like little extra things. I always say that, like there's a little extra something special kind of hidden. It's a basic thing, but usually there's something special, and those leggings have and I love that about them, and I use them. They have pockets, the Show leggings. Okay, and so this is Show as well. These are blue, like a navy blue color. I don't think these ones have pockets, but they're really nice, and they look like you could probably wear these out, like not skin tight, right? So dropping the kids off at work, working from home, running out to the grocery store, and you want to be, you know, modest. So this necklace is really pretty, but it kind of got disconnected in transit. That's an easy fix though. I make jewelry, so I can kind of put that together, but it's really pretty. And then there's a bracelet and some earrings. So let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, it's like Aztec. Isn't that so cute? It's like a 3-set bracelet set, and it's got a little sparkle and a little something there. That's so cute. And then there's some earrings too. There you go. Oh my gosh, so cute. I really like those. She has the cutest little things she puts together. If you guys love these earrings, I'm gonna go try on the clothes. Let's go do that right now. So here we go, the best part of the video, right? Okay, so we're trying this on, and excuse my visual, it is a little choppy. I did not like this top. I felt like it made me look matronly. The leggings were amazing. I love the burgundy red color. It's really great for the season that we're in right now, and I think it really complements my skin, so I really did like that, but I did not like the top. I really loved this whole outfit. It's very bright, happy, very airy, and I felt like it really represents, you know, my vibe and what I like to do. Very boho. Anybody else out there with me on the boho vibes? Yes, yes. I still need to get my bra situation together, and so we've been working on that, and I think I finally got a bra that will work. So I love the yellow shorts, and these blue leggings fit on me amazing, and they were super comfortable, and I really, really liked them. I feel like they held me together very well too, and I like that you could kind of switch between the shorts and the leggings. I feel like, you know, just different silhouettes, so I had fun with that. What do you guys think about this one? So this blue, I guess it's blue, it's like a teal top. You know, it had potential, but I don't know. It was cool. It was cool. It wasn't anything crazy, but I don't know. The color is not the best on me, I feel like. I did like the paper bag waist shorts. I feel like they're super comfortable, and for working around the house, they're amazing and make you feel a little bit more stylish. So yeah, I liked these, and I feel like you can wear them with a lot of things. So I actually threw on this black top with it, and then we had the green one, and then here we are again with the same shorts with this like salmon color top. And I think the salmon color top is cute. You could do it off the shoulder, so it could be sexy, but like not overtly, you know what I mean? So super cute and stylish, and very feminine, and I liked that about it. So this is my very favorite piece in the whole unboxing, and yes, that quarantine belly, my belly is there, working on that, but it was super cute. Yeah, she always has really cute stuff for us. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more Nadine West unboxings, definitely check out the link in the description box below. If you want that limited time free shipping, check out my link and go ahead and subscribe to Nadine West. Children around the corner, what are you gonna do? But what I'm saying, it really helps during quarantine to have a subscription service like this. What else do I have to tell you guys? I love Nadine West. I think you guys should give it a try. Get your cute pink package right to your doorstep. Check out the other videos that I've created for you in the playlist in the description box. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses. So here's my unboxing playlist for you, my fashion unboxing playlist. And I'd love to know what your favorite and least favorite outfits are in the comment section below. Love you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one.